how to change voice pitch on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Talkback and click on Settings. Now in Talkback settings, click on Text to Speech and you will see pitches here. If you want to high pitch, click on you will increase pitch. You will see pitch is high. If you want to decrease and low pitch, you will decrease pitch from here. So you will high and low pitch from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change voice pitch on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.